Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the emoji keyboard so it appears in apps. Go to Settings, then General, then Keyboard, and tap Keyboards. Once there, choose Add New Keyboard and pick Emoji. This makes the emoji panel accessible from any text field. Make sure you're on iOS with standard permissions. The keyboard is lightweight and secure. Once added, the globe or smiley icon will appear on your keyboard so you can switch instantly when composing messages or notes. Next, practice accessing and inserting emoji so you get fluent. Open any app with a text field, tap the globe or smiley icon at the bottom left of the keyboard, and the emoji panel opens. You can swipe through categories or tap the search bar to find specific emoji. Use long press on some emoji for skin tone or variant choices. Once done, tap an emoji to insert it. Make sure to switch back to the alphabet keyboard with the globe to continue typing words. Finally, customize and resolve common issues to complete setup. You can enable predictive in keyboard settings so emoji suggestions appear as you type. This speeds selection. If the emoji keyboard disappears, remove and re-add it via Settings keyboard or restart your iPhone if keys act up. Make sure your iOS is up to date because some emoji require newer versions. If problems persist, reset Keyboard Dictionary as a last resort to clear conflicting settings and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.